Hello everyone, welcome to Adventures Programming, and today we are going to make a program in Python to shift all the zeros to the end of the list. Okay, if any zeros in the list, then shift them to the end. So first I will take a variable list1 and take it as an input. So all the elements in the list are integers. So I will write here map and comma input. Inside input I will write enter list here. Okay, and I will separate all the elements by a space. So split space. Okay, and here I will take a variable n and initialize it by length of list1. Okay, and here I will take a for loop for I in range to cover all the elements with the index. I have to take here the length of the list. So what is the length? N. Okay, and inside this for loop I will write a condition if list 1 of I is not equal to 0. Okay, if list of I is not equal to 0, then here I will take another variable j equal to 0. If list of I is not equal to 0, then I will initialize jth element to be what? List 1 of I. Understand? If not equal to 0, then the zeroth at the zeroth index that element will be come. If 0, then I will add another condition here. First here I will update j equal to j plus 1. Okay, so here I will take a while loop. Here I will take a while loop while j is less than n, and here list 1 of j is equal to 0 means if j is less than n. Okay, then list of j equal to 0. If let's suppose j is 5, means the 5 index are covered, another left elements are 0. Okay, that's why I'm writing here condition if j is less than 0, then the element at jth index is 0, and I will update j by j plus 1. Okay, so here I will print our list 1. Okay, so let's run the code. Let's take input 98087220070. Enter. So all the 98872 13 23 98872 13 23 and 7, and all the zeros are in the end of the list. Okay, I hope you understand the question. Thanks for watching my video. See you in the next video.